Hello everyone, welcome to Andy Visits. In today's video, we'll be discussing some of the best villains as terrifying as the Joker.
The Batman.
Heath Ledger took a villain who had been brought to life memorably before and gave it his own spectacular spin. This version of Joker is one of the most terrifying villains in cinema history simply because he seems unstoppable. He is without remorse or reason and only cares about setting fire to the world. But as unique a villain as he is, there are similarly relentless bad guys just as scary as the Joker.
Gonna break your one rule. I'm considering it.
Thanos, Avengers Infinity War. There is nothing scary as a villain who thinks they are the good guy. The MCU created one of their greatest villains with the mad titan known as Thanos. After being hinted at for several films, Thanos finally stepped into the spotlight in Avengers Infinity War and showed how formidable he was. After witnessing the Marvel heroes save the day time and again, it was truly unsettling to see a villain come along who could bulldoze his way through them in his path towards wiping out half of the universe. Nurse Ratched, One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. The Oscar-winning drama One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest takes place in a mental hospital filled with colorful characters. But while the patients are mostly just troubled individuals who need help, it is Nurse Ratched, their supposed caregiver, who is the most dangerous. Nurse sees herself as superior to all the patients and seems to enjoy her position of power. She doesn't allow her authority to be questioned and doesn't really care for the well-being of the patients. She drives one of them suicide and has another lobotomized just to maintain her control.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
John Doe 7. Though John Doe only appears on screen in the final act of 7, he still cements himself as one of the most unsettling movie villains ever. Throughout the film, the audience follows two detectives investigating Doe's killing, which are inspired by the 7 deadly sins. Doe seems to be unstoppable in his horrific work but suddenly turns himself in. It's then revealed that Doe sees himself as doing some kind of holy work that will change the world. It becomes even more shocking when he reveals how he plans to finish off his perceived masterpiece.
Put the gun down. I saw you with the box. What was in the box? Because
Michael Myers, Halloween. There have been plenty of slasher movie villains who seems to be unstoppable, but Michael Myers in Halloween seems to have inspired most of them. After killing his sister on Halloween night as a child, Myers returns to his hometown of Haddonfield to continue his killing spree. Without ever hearing his voice or even getting a look at his face, Michael Myers seems more like a monster than a man. Anton Chigurh, No Country for Old Men. Just like Joker in The Dark Knight, Anton is a villain who does not take sides. He operates in his own world with his own strange rules that often results in people getting killed. When a man finds a suitcase full of with money in the desert and takes it for himself, Anton is hired to find him. He does not want the money himself and even kills the people who hired him, but he still pursues his target relentlessly and kills those who get in his face.
badass.
So which one is your favorite among all? Do share in the comments section. Thank you so much.